What's up, AVI? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you how to replace your battery from your Subaru key fob here. Here you got to just push down here and you got the key exposed. And then right underneath here, right where that little metal piece is, you're going to stick your key in there. A little bit like that. That's going to stay in place, and then you're just going to rock it forward. Then that should open up the key fob. Some stuff might come out, but you have here that button we just pressed earlier, and then the spring that comes with it. And then right in front you got the battery. It says it's stock. This is a CR2032 3-volt little battery here. Under that you got some plastic sheathing, and then under that you got the buttons itself. And this way you lift up one of these tabs here and you pull the battery right out. Okay, so this way we got one tab removed, and we're just gonna try and pop off the battery now. Maybe you might need to get that second tab removed too. Yep, just like that. Comes off. Now I'm gonna get the new battery, put this aside, get this one in, brand new, stick it right in, clips back into place, reverse engineer it, that first, the spring, I'm gonna pop it right in here, and then where this circle is where the spring sits. So right over here. Yep. And then you get the back portion, and you just slap it right in place. You put the key back, and you're all done. Record time. And that's why you should subscribe to AVI, because you'll get tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and just like that, AVI out.